Story 5. The Beginning of the Armadillos. Part 1.
A long time ago, Stickly Prickly Hedgehog and Slow Solid Tortoise lived on the banks of the turbid Amazon River.
Snails are my favourite dinner.
Lettuce is perfect for a vegetarian like me.
Painted Jaguar lives on the banks of the Amazon too.
I love to hunt deer, but I'm happy with a beetle or a frog sometimes.
But really, Painted Jaguar is tired of eating frogs and beetles.
Mother, what can I eat?
Why don't you try hedgehogs and tortoises? With a hedgehog, you must drop him into water to make him uncurl. With a tortoise, you must use your paw like a spoon to extract him from his shell.
One beautiful night, Painted Jaguar finds Stickly Prickly Hedgehog and Slow Solid Tortoise on the banks of the turbid Amazon.
Egg! Ah!
Oh!
Stickly Prickly quickly curls into a ball, and Slow Solid pulls his head and feet inside his shell.
Now listen to me. Which of you two is hedgehog and which is tortoise? My mother knows what to do. Hedgehogs uncurl in the water, and I use my paw as a spoon for tortoises.
Are you sure? Perhaps tortoises uncurl in the water and you use your paw as a spoon for hedgehogs.
Are you absolutely sure? Perhaps you use your paw for hedgehogs and a spoon in the water for tortoises.
Stop! You're making my spots hurt. Who is hedgehog and who is tortoise?
I'm not going to tell you, even if you extract me from my shell.
Aha! So you are tortoise.
Painted Jaguar uses his paw, but Stickly Prickly curls up fast.
Ow! That hurts.
Hedgehog disappears into the forest.
My poor paw. And it's too dusty to find tortoise now. Or perhaps you are tortoise.
Of course I am. And now you can extract me from my shell. Remember your mummy's explanation?
I don't believe you. You want to confuse me again.
No, it's true. And if you want to see me swim, put me in the water.
Mummy says one of you goes in the water. So jump in the river now.
If you're sure.
Tortoise swims away as fast as possible. Painted Jaguar understands now, and he's very angry.
Good work, my resourceful reptile friend.
Story 6. The Beginning of the Armadillos. Part 2.
Painted Jaguar is still very upset.
Son? Son? Son, why are you so irritated?
I tried to extract tortoise from his shell, and now my paw is full of prickles.
My son, these are the prickles of a hedgehog. Remember, a hedgehog must go in the water. In the water, it uncurls.
I'm confused, Mummy, and I'm still hungry. The animals of the Amazon are too clever for me.
My son, remember, a hedgehog curls into a ball like this shape.
Ah, like a ball.
And a tortoise can't curl, but he can swim.
A tortoise can't curl, but can swim. Slow, solid, that's him. Curls like a ball, but can't swim. Stickly, prickly, that's him.
I don't like that old lady at all. She's too clever.
I know. Not even Painted Jaguar can forget those explanations.
There's only one solution. I'm going to learn to swim.
Excellent. You swim like a whale. Perhaps if I try, I can curl into a ball like you.
Very good. But stop for a rest. You're very red in the face.
Some time later,
Painted Jaguar, come and find us.
We've got a surprise for you.
after a long time swimming, Stickly Prickly Hedgehog begins to look different.
How strange. Your prickles are almost smooth.
It must be the effect of the water.
Slow Solid Tortoise continues his stretching and curling exercises.
You look different too.
It must be the effect of curling.
The two friends go to find Painted Jaguar.
How are you, my feline friend?
Very well, thank you. But I don't remember your name.
Don't you remember your rhyme?
Yes. Can't curl but can swim. Slow Solid, that's him. Curls like a ball but can't swim. Sticky Prickly, that's him.
They both curl up and roll round Painted Jaguar until he feels very dizzy. He runs to find Mother Jaguar.
Mummy, Mummy! Mother, there are 2 new animals in the forest today. Both swim and curl, and they look different.
Son, a hedgehog is a hedgehog and a tortoise is a tortoise.
No, Mummy, these animals are a bit of both, and I don't know their names.
Nonsense. Everything has a name. If you don't know the real name, call them armadillo for the moment. And stay away from them.
Painted Jaguar follows his mummy's instructions.
I'm hungry, but I must avoid those armadillos.
From that day, all the animals in the forest call Stickly Prickly and Slow Solid Armadillo.
Perhaps other animals can follow our example.
Yes. Put together a sheep and a kangaroo, and you have a woolly jumper.